Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're new here, my name is Lyndon Houston. Welcome to Lyndon Houston Cooking. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely detox tea. Sometimes you go on holiday, come back, you need to drink something to clean your system, or if you feel bloated, this is a tea for you. Basically, what I have here, I have some honey here, cayenne pepper, jasmine tea, and I have some dry mint leaf. You have some ginger. I wash the ginger, lemon, and I'm going to use some cinnamon stick. I'll take you through the process. And over the other side here, I have about 2.5 cups of water. So I'm going to bring it to a boil and take it through the process. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove these. I'm just going to set them aside. But make sure you get some good quality honey. So the ginger, I want to start, cut the ginger up. You can grate it, however you feel like to do it. Please feel free to do so. So with this, so you can leave the skin on. So just give it a good wash. So I think that amount should be okay for what I'm going to do it. So there's a couple of things I'm going to do now. I'm going to I'm using this. You can use cinnamon powder. It's personal preference. So we're going to add the ginger. So the cinnamon is in. Now we have the ginger in that. You can buy some dry mint leaf, or if you have lime leaf, feel free to use it. So normally this, I want it to boil for about 5 to 6 minutes. And the next step is we're going to work on the lemon. So the lemon, what I'm going to do is, so we're going to slice the lemon. However you want to do the lemon, just feel free to do it. You want to chop it up? That's fine. It doesn't really matter. So that's how we're going to do the lemon. So now I'm going to put the lemon in, and we're going to let that boil. So we have about 2 to 3 more minutes left in that. So make sure you give him a bit of stir. As you've seen, the color start to turn already, change color. The lemon is full of vitamin C and immunity, and the ginger is good for your stomach. And not only that, the green tea in this, it's low calorie and it's good to regulate your blood sugar, and speed up your metabolism system. And the good old ginger, that's help cut down the bloat, isn't it? Sometimes you eat some food and your tummy just feel bloated. The ginger is good for that, and also it's good to speed up your metabolism system, and it's good for antioxidant, and also your gaseous intestine tract. Not only that, ginger is good for constipation also, and for nausea, and many people and resources, they use it for cold, flu. So it's a great health benefit using ginger in this immunity booster tea, and also help to detox your body, whether you're on holiday or not. But sometimes you're traveling holiday, different altitude, the water and everything take toll on your body a different way. And the good old cayenne pepper. So I'm going to turn this off now, and I'm going to add the cayenne pepper. See, cayenne pepper is good for migraine. It's good for people with diabetic and rheumatoid pain. and joint. So this is good for pain and joint. It's good for blood flow also. So cayenne pepper, I'm going to go in with the cayenne pepper in that, and I'm going to give it a bit of stir. And not only that, cayenne pepper is also good for weight loss. You know, sometimes some weight loss tablets, it have cayenne pepper in it. And not only that, if you notice some metabolizer tablets, one of the ingredients is cayenne pepper. I'm going to go ahead and add honey to this. Now, adding the honey is personal preference. You don't like the honey in yours, you don't have to have it in it. You can drink it without. So this is a really healthy tea, you know, to detoxify your body. So this is one of the ways you can, you know, detox your body with this lovely, delicious tea. So now I'm gonna get my desired teapot, you know, or teacup, whatever you want to call it. So I'll be using this one because I like this and it holds more. So with this teapot, when you pour it like this, it have a very fine strainer in it. So with this, just pop your lid on it. Now get your teacup. So ladies and gentlemen, if you find value in this video, you know, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and do leave positive comment. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Cheers to you all. Enjoy.